Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study organic chemistry in one day. First, identify the most crucial topics, such as fundamental reactions and their mechanisms. Instead of just memorizing, strive to understand the underlying principles. This approach is far more efficient. Next, divide your day into focused study blocks, dedicating specific time to each major concept to ensure comprehensive coverage. To master the core concepts, begin by reviewing all functional groups and their unique reactions. Understanding these is foundational. Then, actively practice common reaction mechanisms, drawing them out step by step to internalize the electron flow. Finally, reinforce your learning by working through a variety of example problems, applying what you've learned to different scenarios. For effective learning, engage in active recall by using flashcards or quizzing yourself on reactions and reagents. Challenge your understanding by solving diverse synthesis and retrosynthesis problems, which helps connect different reactions. Pay close attention to common pitfalls and particularly challenging reaction types, as these often appear on exams. This targeted practice is key. As your day of study concludes, take time to summarize all key reactions, noting their specific reagents and conditions. Revisit any topics that still cause confusion, perhaps by watching a quick video or consulting a textbook. Finally, ensure you get a good night's sleep. Rest is crucial for consolidating all the information you've absorbed, preparing you for success.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.